Alright. Someone appears to have left this locomotive unattended with the lights on. So I'm most definitely gonna climb onto it. Yep. Maybe take it for a spin, I don't know. Sorry about the bumpy camera, people. I am walking over tracks. Whoop. Possibly tripping over rocks. Let's not trip again. Alright. Wah wah. Totally unattended. That's so weird. Alright. Camera to Jenna. Okay, here we go. TJ on train. Sorry, TJ. TJ on train.
Climb on the train and ride it, woo woo.
That is really random. Oh, not unlocked though. Want to see inside? Oh, I'm getting closer and that's frightening. Ah. Check it out. Totally unattended. Which is kind of awesome. I'd find it more awesome if I could climb inside and try to drive it. But this is still pretty cool. You know, at night, abandoned. And these are the things you can find in a vacant lot in Oregon.